because we got some new furniture right now.
This is the story of our new emerald green velvet sofa that we ordered online from WAYFAIR. When Stephen and I moved in together, our first couch was gifted to us from an old friend. It was well used, so it wasn't the prettiest, so I tried covering it with couch covers from Fred's. Anyway, we were then gifted with a microfiber and leather sofa and chair set from his father, who ran a furniture store at the time. We loved it, and it lasted us a long time, through dogs, babies, and grandkids. 18 years of us living together and creating this life with our little girls, we never saw the need to go buy new furniture. We tried to use furniture covers again to extend the life of the microfiber couch. In 2018, we decided to finally put in hardwood floors. After that, I couldn't bear to put the old worn-out furniture on the new floors, so I ordered my dream emerald green velvet Chesterfield from WAYFAIR, which I will link in the description below.
What's going on, sweetie? What are you doing?
Stephen finished the living room floors just in time for the truck to arrive with our new sofa. The girls were, of course, super excited to help open the new couch.
And our new furniture.
Are you so excited?
Yeah. There's stuff on the
Oh, Josh. Are you excited, Daddy?
And I'm getting the pillows out. Bubble wrap. I'm getting the pillows out so I can set them on the couch. This is the pillow for them. I'm so sad because we got some new furniture right now, and I'm just.
What?
Walking down the street, she didn't know what to do. She stopped in front of me. She said, "Hey, yeah, do your thing, now switch."
What?
It's so handy. Belt protectors on it?
On the bottom with
Mommy.
the legs they did.
That's great.
Move, guys. Let's see.
Oh, wow.
All right, Mom.
Magnificent.
It is, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm
It's the best thing ever.
It's dark and you can turn light.
Yeah. We love the soft texture of the couch, and the girls love arranging the pillows on the couch.
This goes down the side, baby, right here.
Like, I'll help Daddy move it.
Well, no.
Yeah, just last night she has a jump from. She's
Without our
stuck on the
permission.
chair.
I think it needs a few photos.
I love
Some
this
will
couch.
match this green color.
So pretty.
We can book one of the rules
Match
already.
them in store.
No chopping, no stickiness, and
And
No liquids, no crayons.
no crayons, no gel pens, no markers.
got our couch here. Just had it shipped to us. Came in that enormous box. Look at this pretty baby. And they made a little fort out of the box. Look at this. More interested in this giant box than they are a new couch.
This is my favorite book. It's called No by Teen.
We also ordered a light turquoise Loveseat from WAYFAIR. I love these two pieces of furniture. I like watching the girls mix and match the pillows. They are in constant competition on who can decorate with the throw pillows the best. Couches are so lightweight that we can easily rearrange, and I've since moved the Loveseat into the bedroom and use it as a video editing couch. Obviously, the throw pillows did not come with the couches, but it is fun to go shopping and mix and match and change out the throw pillows with the different seasons.
So the girls did a good job in here because they got everything put away and everything cleaned up in
As she is
here.
not as.
So great.
Laugh at the one,
Or
Bippers.
Stop clowning around.
Yes, the girls enjoyed the box for a couple of days, and I finally had them clean it out. We spent a lot of 2018 under construction, installing new floors in our home and repainting the girls' bedrooms. I will link our flooring and the couches from WAYFAIR in the description below. Stay tuned to our channel for more on our home transformation. Thanks for watching. Bye!